Now what I would also like to do is select the circle, and we have something called center mark visible. Make sure to switch that on. So now what happens is we have this mark here. Now with this mark, we can lock it to our reference planes. So use the align tool, AL, and lock it to this reference plane, and then lock it to that reference plane on top as well. So the left and top reference plane. So now if you select the circle, you can notice that it is locked in place. We can also change the dimension in case your text is a bit too big, and then click on Finish Edit Mode. So you just created one leg. We'll need to create the other ones as well. What we can do is we can either copy this and paste it in place, or we can edit the extrusion and we can copy this circle to all 4 points. So select the circle, tap CO on your keyboard, select it from this point, and this time, instead of locking it in place using the manual way, we can also place it at the intersection. So this way, it would get automatically locked to the intersections. Perfect. And now we can click on Finish Edit Mode. Tap Escape twice and then click on Finish Edit Mode. Now we need to go to our front view, and we need to lock this leg to the top reference plane here. Now in case you're not able to select the reference plane, make sure you do not lock it to the model line. Make sure to lock it to the reference plane. So if you're not able to select reference plane, you can use the align tool, AL, click the reference plane and click on this part of the chair and then lock it in place. Similarly, let's lock it here at the bottom as well. Now, if I go to my 3D view, you can notice we have a very modern looking chair. Let's see if this is parametric in nature. So let me go to 750 by 750. I'm going to change some of the values here. So let's change the leg offset to say 100. And let's change the radius to say 40. And then let's click on apply. So you can notice, boom, it changes. The seat height was 326 for this version and looks pretty cool as well. Let's go to 800 by 800 this time. Let's change the seat height to say 400. Let's change the leg offset to say 100 and then click on apply, and boom, we have a different looking chair. Now of course we need to change some of these values as per ergonomic conditions. I've just created some random values. You can go ahead and change it as per your taste. Now the last step is to change the material for these chairs. So now if you switch to shaded, you can notice that it's all gray. So let's change the material to all wood. You can also add additional materials if you like, but for the sake of time, I'm going to apply the same material for all of these extrusions here.